A deadly family betrayal ends in cold-blooded murder, and the truth is more chilling than fiction. This is the tragic and disturbing story of Barrington Roach, a respected businessman from Lilliput, St. James, and how his own bloodline may have plotted his demise. It was a peaceful Sunday, until everything changed. On September 19, 2024, the body of 62-year-old Barrington Roach was discovered in Rosemount Gardens, Montego Bay. Roach was well known for running a tire shop and taxi business, but soon, what seemed like a random act of violence turned into one of Jamaica's most twisted family betrayals. Investigators began unraveling a dark web. All fingers quickly pointed to Kimani Roach, Barrington's own biological son, also known on the streets as Massive. Kimani had fled Jamaica after reportedly being involved in several serious crimes, including a murder in Boyle. He illegally entered the U.S. through Mexico during the Biden-era border surge, and was eventually detained by ICE. Sources claim Kimani ordered his stepbrother, Antoine Parkinson, to meet with Barrington under the lie of collecting payment for a paint job. Hours later, Roach was shot dead. A voice message on Barrington's phone directly linked Kimani to the setup, but it didn't end there. Antoine's ID and bank card were discovered at the crime scene, clear signs of his involvement. In a twisted turn of fate, Antoine, the alleged hitman, was found dead not long after. Voice notes and messages leaked to select family members reveal Kimani ordered Antoine's death, allegedly to silence him before he could talk. And shockingly, Kimani even shared a video of the killing, bragging about it to others. According to reports, Antoine had been blackmailed and framed by Kimani, who also owed him US $6,000. Despite the evidence, Jamaican police have still not issued a wanted bulletin, leaving many wondering why. Family members believe Kimani used his connections with law enforcement in Jamaica and the US to cover his tracks. There's more. Antoine hinted in voice notes about a past scamming-related murder in Boyle that made Barrington send both sons overseas out of fear. Now, only one brave family member continues to speak out, risking everything to demand justice for Barrington. While Kimani remains in ICE custody, he allegedly continues to issue threats. The murder of Barrington Roach may be more than just a family feud. It may expose a wider network of crime, corruption, and murder for hire that stretches beyond borders. As the case stalls and justice is delayed, the big question remains: will truth prevail, or will silence win again? For real-time updates on Jamaica's most gripping crime stories, follow 876 NewsJ on Telegram today. Stay alert, stay informed, stay safe.